Ladakh is a region located in the northernmost part of India, in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It is known for its breathtaking landscapes, rugged mountains, and unique cultural heritage. Leh is the largest town and the administrative capital of Ladakh. Here are some key points about Leh and Ladakh. Geography. Ladakh is nestled in the Trans-Himalayan region and is characterized by high-altitude desert terrain. It is surrounded by the Karakoram Range in the north and the Himalayas in the south. The region is home to several mountain passes, beautiful lakes, and ancient monasteries. Leh is situated at an altitude of about 3,500 meters, 11,500 feet, above sea level. It is a popular tourist destination and serves as a base for exploring the region. The town has a distinct Tibetan influence and is known for its traditional architecture, narrow winding lanes, and vibrant markets. Monasteries. Ladakh is home to numerous monasteries that are significant to Tibetan Buddhism. Some famous monasteries in the region include Hemis Monastery, Thikse Monastery, Diskit Monastery, and Alki Monastery. These monasteries are not only religious centers but also architectural marvels. Pangong Tso. One of the most famous attractions in Ladakh is Pangong Tso, a breathtakingly beautiful high-altitude lake. It stretches across the border of India and Tibet, with two-thirds of it falling under Chinese control. The lake's crystal-clear blue waters surrounded by majestic mountains make it a popular spot for tourists. Nubra Valley. Located in the northeast of Ladakh, Nubra Valley is known for its scenic beauty and sand dunes. It is accessible via the Karding La Pass, one of the highest motorable roads in the world. Nubra Valley offers a unique landscape with lush green villages, monasteries, and the famous Diskit Monastery with a massive Buddha statue. Adventure tourism. Ladakh is a popular destination for adventure enthusiasts. The region offers opportunities for activities like trekking, mountaineering, river rafting, mountain biking, and camel safaris. The challenging terrain and stunning landscapes make it an ideal place for adventure seekers. Road routes. In 2018, following 5 road routes were opened for the tourists by the Government of India, GoI. All of these are located above the altitude of 14,000 feet, and the maximum limit of travel permit was raised from 7 days to 15 days. 1. Karak Nerbo Sumdo Paringla Kaza Road. 2. Merak, Ladakh Loma Bend Road. 3. Chushul Kartsangla Mahe, Ladakh Road. 4. Durbak Shachu Tharak Sado Kargiam Parma Arath, Ladakh Chushul Loma, Ladakh Hanal Road. 5. Agam, Ladakh Shayak Durbak Road. Trekking routes. Treks include Manali to Ladakh, the Nubra Valley, Pangong Tso, Tso Moriri, the Indus Valley. Marka Valley, Ladakh Monastery Trek, Padam Manali, Padam Phuktal, Padam Darcha, Panakar Henasko, Lamayuru Martsalong, Lamayuru Alki, Kala Patar Trek, and Pahal, Ladakh. In 2018, following 4 trails with night stay in Ladakh were opened for the tourists by the Go. 1. Pyong Dokla Hunderdak Track. 2. Temasgam Largiep Panchathang Skaru Track. 3. Basgo Ne Hunderdak Hunder Track. 4. Saspal Saspachi Rakarala Skaru Track. It's worth noting that due to its remote location and high altitude, traveling to Ladakh requires careful planning, acclimatization, and awareness of the potential effects of altitude sickness. It's recommended to consult with local authorities, travel agencies, or experienced guides when planning a trip to Leh and Ladakh.